Well, hello there. So today is the last day. I'm already leaving the Chalet Frodo in Matamata and we're going towards Auckland. But still, even though this is going to be our last day, I want to take you for one more adventure because there is something that I kind of missed on in my previous planning, but it's actually next door to the hotel that I booked for tonight, which I'm still kind of pissed about because I wanted an airport hotel, but the app that I'm usually using for airport hotels and everything didn't have any, and I was like, why not? So yeah, we're gonna be in a city center, but that means that we will be able to go to this special place, and I can't wait to take you there. So let's start the drive. So I'm totally gonna miss this place a lot. I think that was a really transformative journey for me in general. It was eye-opening in many ways and it was healing in many ways as well. But I think next time I come here, I would actually take someone with me just to help me out with the pictures and videos, because being alone is cool, but there's some shots that you just cannot do on your own. And yeah, I would totally start with the North Island and then go down to the South Island. Going south to north is worse in a way. Like, I would really start with Hobbiton and all those things and then go down, because one, it would make sense as in a book, and two, it just kind of better in a way. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a really beautiful country all around, but South Island is more dramatic. I would totally take a camper van. It's probably a better way than just looking for the hotels all the time, and those hotels are expensive, even if they are not really anything special. And another thing is that I will totally go for a longer period of time than just 2 weeks. I think 1 month is my bare minimum right now, which even makes it more logical to take another person with me, because, you know, if you buy all those things by yourself, if you rent a car and everything, it's the same price if there's 2 people generally, but for you it's 50% off. Okay, so the weirdest thing happened. I was going to the car rental returns, and it turned out that the car rental return for 6th is somewhere else than all the other car rental returns. Anyway, so we're gonna grab an Uber and go to the city center for the hotel and the one special thing we're still gonna do, and then we're gonna go to sleep because we need to be back at the airport around 5-ish. Sounds like the plan. Let's go. So I had a day to kill in Auckland. Okay, so I kind of checked into the hotel, but obviously my room is not ready because it's like 10 a.m. So we're staying tonight at 4 Points Sheraton. I'm trying to stay with one hotel type of a chain to see, you know, all the results, because being with one airline is doing me pretty well. So I hope that this will do me as well. So we're gonna go just walk around and do whatever, because we have the booking for the special thing at 3 p.m. So we still have a lot of time to just kill, and I think I'm gonna just walk around, do some stuff around, and enjoy some Auckland for as long as I can. Otherwise it makes no sense, right? And after this we're gonna go back to the hotel. We need to get up at 4. So great. Let's just see how the Auckland looks like, huh? After all of this, you know, landscapes and everything, time for some city time. Yeah. By the way, it's locked out, still not drinking. So we got a little bit of a compliment, which is always nice, and I am about to eat it. So I'm in a happy place, I can assure you that. That is so good. Oh my god. Oh, I chose so wisely. I'm happy now. Ideal lunch before we leave New Zealand. Oh my god. Look at that. That looks good. Ooh, it's a good one. You know it's a good one when it like crashes. It's like with creme brulee. If it crashes, it's good. Okay, so that was really good food choice. Highly recommend if you are in Auckland anytime soon. So now let's go towards the Weta Workshop Unleashed. which should be better than my last disappointment. This is where we're going. We have a tour scheduled at 3:10, but before we get there, that's one, and then maybe we'll jump on something earlier, we don't know. It would be nice, because I'm kind of tired and I need to get up at 4 a.m. So I'm like, not really happy about it. But yeah, let's just walk there. That'll be great. I really need this one to be better than the last one. See, I'm so hopeful towards all of those things. I really just need better experience. Okay, so far, so good. Those guys also here. They're apparently everywhere now. This is the thing. You get the troll everywhere you go, which is fine. Okay, now let's see.
Fantastic, come on out team, we're going to let you out of our VIP holding area. Make the most of it, that is all the VIP treatment you're getting today. So welcome to the workshop, my name is Marcus, I'm going to be your tour guide for today, and also your induction officer as you are our new batch of interns. The very first thing we're going to be doing today is taking some ID photos. Very exciting stuff, I know. Nowadays, ID photos team we take very not seriously. So, the lovely Paris over here will be taking your ID photos in this booth.
Oi, son. Hey, Jim, move out of the way. Oi, Jim, move.
Remember taking tough stuff here today, so please feel free to touch your face and find out.
Here's what we call an animatronic.
Okay, so that experience was different than the Weta Workshop in Wellington. In some ways, in some ways, well, it was better. In some ways, it didn't have a life-scale Sauron, so you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it was actually exciting. I'm pretty happy that I went anyway, even despite being pretty disappointed last time. And after that, I went back to the hotel for some well-deserved sleep.